Okay, now let's talk about digital wallets. In terms of definition, a digital wallet is simply an application that stores or holds onto your cryptocurrency. It can be a web-based, a desktop, or mobile app, which is created to help you store your private and public keys, or in other words, your deposit addresses. And it also interacts with various blockchains to help you send and receive cryptocurrencies and monitor your balance. Here's an example of a deposit address. It's just like an email address which you use for receiving emails. When you want to receive digital currency from someone, you just need to give them your deposit address. For example, this is your Bitcoin deposit address. If someone wants to send you 0.5 Bitcoin or BTC, they just need to open their wallet and create a withdrawal or sending money request. Enter your deposit address and the amount of money they want to send, in this case 0.5 BTC, as you can see here. After they click Continue, the 0.5 BTC will be sent to the blockchain where the validators or miners will start verifying and validating the transaction. After 2 to 3 confirmations from the validators, the 0.5 BTC will appear in your account, and the transaction will be marked as confirmed or completed. Okay, here are the most important things that you'll need to take into account. The first thing is if you want to receive a particular cryptocurrency, you must provide that cryptocurrency's deposit address. For example, if you want to receive Bitcoin, you must use your Bitcoin deposit address. If you send different currencies, say Ethereum or Ripple, to your Bitcoin address, your money will be permanently lost, and there's no way you can get your money back. The second thing is that you must always double-check your deposit address. A small mistake can lead to a permanent loss of your money. So you must be extremely careful when sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. Next, make sure you always secure your wallet accounts using two-factor authentication. Most wallet providers provide this feature. Enabling this feature will provide your account an extra layer of security. How this works is simple. When you try to log into your account, or when you try to send your cryptocurrency, it requires that an outside source verify the requests are genuine and not from a malicious source. Typically, this happens by sending you a text on your smartphone, or by requiring you to input an authentication code generated by a program elsewhere. So even if someone else knows your password, they cannot log into your account and steal your money unless they have the authentication code. My favorite app for two-factor authentication is Authy. It allows you to create a free account which you can use to store all of your authentication codes. And the best thing is, it can be synced across multiple devices. So even if you lose your phone, you can still log into your Authy account and get authentication codes to access your wallet. And the next thing you want to do is to install an antivirus software on your computer and your phone to protect your account from being hacked. You can use Kaspersky, Norton, Bitdefender, or other antivirus softwares. There are many viruses and malwares that are created to automatically change the victim's deposit address with intent to steal their money. So make sure that all of your devices are protected and always double-check your deposit address. And you should also avoid using your friends' or public devices to log into your account. Okay, here are the best wallets you can use. Bitcoin.com is the official wallet for Bitcoin. It offers support for both Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and Bitcoin Core, BTC. You can easily sign up for an account at wallet.bitcoin.com. Blockchain.info is my favorite wallet, as it offers support for not only Bitcoins, but also Ethereum. More and more cryptocurrencies will be added in the future. You can register an account at blockchain.info. And the third wallet is My Ether Wallet, which supports Ethereum and almost all crypto coins and tokens that are built on the Ethereum blockchain. You can get a free wallet at myetherwallet.com. Okay, Your job now is to create your wallet accounts with them and then secure your accounts with two-factor authentication. And don't forget to protect your devices with some reliable antivirus software. In the next lecture, I'll talk about how to open your trading accounts and give you a list of reliable and popular exchanges that you can use to trade cryptocurrencies.